It is my privilege to present the following program that was inspired by the way American businesses and organizations have responded to the events of September 11th. It's part of a special series produced by Heartbeat of America called Keeping America Strong. Each program spotlights a business or organization that is helping to do exactly that, keep America strong. Having served in the United States Navy for many years, I fully appreciate the important role small and middle-sized businesses play in the very fabric of our country, and I salute the professionals who lead these companies and thus keep America strong. They are the very backbone of our free enterprise system, and today on this program, you will meet the individuals behind one such organization. I'll be back later in the program to introduce the Keeping America Strong Award. And now, let's learn more about the organization we are honoring today.
Today, the eyes and ears of the 21st century are focused on new developments, new technologies, new emerging companies. We're on the scene to bring it to you as it happens.
We anchor from our new studios in Los Angeles and then go out all over America to get to the heart of the story.
I'm Bert Tenzer.
I'm Bella Shaw.
I'm Doug Llewellyn.
I'm William Shatner, and this is Heartbeat of America. Our show focuses on corporate America, its stories, its drama, its breakthroughs. We'll be going out today to report on an organization that is impacting our lives and shaping our future. An organization that truly is the heartbeat of America.
In the 20th century, a group of future Americans led by William Shatner ventured out into the universe. The challenge? To take the American spirit and courage to the final frontier of man, outer space. It was an exciting time on television, but it was only a fantasy.
Meanwhile, here on the planet Earth in the 21st century, a new challenge has emerged. And this one's for real. It's the challenge to unite America and to keep our economy and our country moving forward.
This has inspired Heartbeat of America to launch a special series entitled Keeping America Strong.
In the 20th century, William Shatner took us off on a voyage into the universe to experience what life is like on other planets. But now, here in the 21st century, he's back to explore what life is like right here on our own planet. This is all part of a very special series that we call Keeping America Strong. And as you know, part of Keeping America Strong lies in providing corporate America with the latest and most advanced education, training, and consulting on storage network technologies. These are technologies that cannot be found in any university or vocational school. It is a critical service that helps advance companies throughout the world. And our guest today provides that and a lot more. He helps advance the operations of everyone from engineers, programmers, product developers, systems administrators, system architects, and the managers of companies that build or use computer storage or networking products. His service is critical to the future of many companies, and we're about to find out more about what he does and how he goes about doing it. This is pretty fascinating if you're involved in the world of computer technology. His name is David Deming. He is the president and the CTO of a company called Solution Technology, which is headquartered in Ben Lomond, California. And in case you're wondering where that is, it is a suburb of Silicon Valley. He certainly is in the appropriate place in this country. David, welcome. Nice to have you here.
Thank you. It's nice to be here.
Let me ask you a quick question. What, from your knowledge, are some of the big problems that companies today, companies of all size, face when it comes to handling the storage of their documents and their sensitive documents and the security of those documents, which is a real key issue?
You're right. What I've experienced in the industry and what has become true around storage networking in general is that there's three main areas that require particular attention. One is the ability to continue business in the face of a disaster. Most recently, we've experienced Katrina, where an entire coast was wiped out. And in order for businesses to continue in that area, right, storage technology provides us with the tools that allow us to move past those disasters and allow organizations to continue their business. The second area that corporations are faced with today is just a massive growth of the information that they have to maintain within their organization. Numerous government standards like HIPAA and Sarbanes-Oxley are forcing corporations to accumulate more and more information. And probably third and most important, well, all of them are important, but thirdly, the ability to administer to this massive amount of information is a great undertaking that most of corporate America is quite mind-boggling to them how they're going to accomplish it.
When you use the term administer this information, what are you referring to?
The ability to provide or back up the information, to protect it in the areas of replication, the areas of disaster recovery plans.
Right.
The list is almost endless. You throw security on top of all of that, and it becomes a tremendous nightmare for the IT administrators and the IT staff that's responsible for ensuring that the corporation can remain in business during an outage that can come in many different forms.
So what is it that you provide? The company is you, basically, Solution Technology. What is your service?
Well, the technology that most of the corporations use today to continue their business or to implement storage networking is based on very sophisticated industry standards and specifications. What we specialize in is we specialize in taking that information and distilling it and digesting it and creating seminars and training materials by which the engineers can now become more productive in their jobs. By enabling the engineers to become more productive, what this does for the overall business itself is it reduces their costs and increases their profitability.
So you really do, you teach the engineers at many of these different companies on all the latest technologies surrounding exactly what we're talking about.
Absolutely.
Storage, security, whatever. Mm-hmm. It's and to give you an idea, I mean, it's very complex, but let me just point out something. David writes textbooks. These are textbooks that teach engineers, and as you can see, this small computer system interface, but if you open it up, it's a complete book instructing engineers on what they have to do with regard to this particular subject. This is very complex material. I mean, it's way over my head. I'm not quite sure what it is you're teaching here, but in any event, this is the kind of subject matter that we're talking about. What really are you teaching an engineer here in this book?